Hello students of grade 3rd. Today we will learn about living and non-living things in the chapter number 1 in your books, Living and Non-Living Things. To begin with, let us fill in the table with yes or no. The first picture in the table is a car. The question is, does it breathe? Does a car have a nose to breathe? The answer is no. A car cannot breathe because it doesn't have a nose and it cannot breathe. Does it move on its own? A car can move but it cannot move on its own. कार को चलाया जा सकता है पर कार अपने आप नहीं चल सकती. So the answer is no. Does it eat? A car doesn't have a mouth. A car does not eat. Answer is no. Does it respond when touched? Can a car respond? Can a car cry? Can a car be angry? Can a car laugh? The answer is no. A car cannot respond. When you beat your car, does it cry or does it get angry on you? No, it doesn't. So the answer is no. Can it produce its own kind? Can a car produce its own kind? Can one car make another car? The answer is no. A car cannot produce its own kind. A car can only be made in factories by humans. So the answer is no. A car cannot produce its own kind. The second picture in the book is a cat. The question is, does it breathe? A cat have a nose, so yes, it can breathe. The answer is yes. Does it move on its own? Yes, a cat can move on its own. It can go anywhere it wants to go. Does it eat? Yes, we have seen many cats eating rats. We have seen them lapping milk. So the answer is yes, a cat can eat. Rat is their favorite food. Does it respond when touched? Have you ever tried to touch a cat? So you have noticed that when you try to touch a cat, it gets angry. So the answer is yes, because it responds when we touch it. Can it produce its own kind? The answer is yes, because a cat can produce its own kind. The third picture in the book is a wardrobe or a almirah. Does it breathe? It doesn't have a nose, so it doesn't breathe. And it is made of wood. It cannot breathe. Does it move on its own? Almirahs or wardrobes cannot move on their own. You can move your wardrobe and place it anywhere in your house where you want to. It cannot move on its own. ये अपने आप नहीं चल सकती. Does it eat? Have you ever tried to feed your almirah? Then you will find the answer that it cannot eat. Anything which is non-living cannot eat anything. Does it respond when touched? No, it doesn't. You can beat it. You can do whatever you want to do with it, but it cannot respond. It cannot be angry with you. Can it produce its own kind? No. One almirah cannot make another almirah. These are human-made things. So answer is no. The fourth picture in the book is a book. Does it breathe? Can books breathe? You all know the answer. The answer is no. Does it move on its own? The answer is no. You take your books to the school. Does your books come to the school on their own? No, they do not. You have to put them in your backpack and carry them to the school. Does it eat? Can a book eat? The answer is no, it cannot eat. Does it respond when touched? Is this book responding while I'm touching it? Is it getting angry or is it smiling when I'm tickling it? The answer is no. So a book cannot respond when touched. Can it produce its own kind? Can one book make another book? The answer is no. So a book cannot produce its own kind. The fourth picture in the book is of a house or a hut. So does it breathe? Does it have a nose to breathe? The answer is no. Does it move on its own? Can it move? No, it cannot move on its own. अपने आप किसी का घर भी नहीं चल सकता. Okay? Does it eat? Can it eat? Does your house eat food? The answer is no, it cannot eat. Does it respond when touched? The answer is no. Can it produce its own kind? Can one house make another house? The answer is no. So the next picture in the book is of a lady or a woman. Does it breathe? Well, yes, of course, it has a nose and it can breathe. Does it move on its own? क्या ये अपने आप चल सकती है? The answer is yes, it can. Does it eat? Of course it can eat, it has a mouth. Does it respond when touched? Yes, definitely it will respond. Can it produce its own kind? The answer is yes, because living things can produce their own kind. With this, the table is complete. Now, from this table, we have learned 6 basic differences between living and non-living things. The first difference is living things can eat food. Living things have a mouth and they can eat food. While in non-living things, they do not eat food. Second difference is living things can grow. Living things can grow. As you are also an example of a living thing. So, as you can see, from your birth to now, you have grown up. So, living things can grow, while non-living things do not grow. They can't grow. Third difference is living things can breathe, because living things have a nose to breathe, while non-living things cannot breathe. Fourth difference is living things can move on its own. They can move on their own. This is the important part, on their own. ये अपने आप चल सकती हैं, जहाँ इनका मन हो living things वहाँ पर जा सकती हैं. While non-living things don't move. We can move them. We can move them. We can move non-living things, but they cannot move on their own. Living things can move on their own, but non-living things cannot move on their own. Non-living things को हम मूव करके कहीं पर भी रख सकते हैं, बट वो अपने आप नहीं चल सकती. The fifth difference between living and non-living things is living things can feel, while non-living things cannot feel. Living things feel कर सकती हैं. They have the sense organs to feel. They can, while the non-living things cannot feel. They cannot feel angry or they cannot laugh. They cannot do those things. The sixth difference is living things can reproduce, while non-living things do not reproduce. Living things can make their own kind, while non-living things cannot make their own kind. Now let's read this chapter first. Living and non-living things. Living things need food and water. लिविंग थिंग्स को फूड एंड वाटर की ज़रूरत होती है. दे मूव, ग्रो, फील एंड प्रोड्यूस देयर ओन काइंड. These we have learned in the differences that living things move कर सकते हैं on their own, grow कर सकते हैं, as you are an example of how you have grown since your birth, जैसे आप बड़े हुए हो. फील, लिविंग थिंग्स फील कर सकती हैं. एंड प्रोड्यूस देयर ओन काइंड, लिविंग थिंग्स कैन प्रोड्यूस देयर ओन काइंड. एक लिविंग थिंग दूसरी लिविंग थिंग को बना सकती है, प्रोड्यूस कर सकती है. ओके. नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स डू नॉट नीड फूड एंड वाटर. नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स को फूड एंड वाटर की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. दे डू नॉट मूव, दे डू नॉट ग्रो, feel or produce their own kind. So non-living things cannot do all those things that living things can do. जो living things कर सकती हैं non-living things वो नहीं कर सकती. Example of living things is a tree. A tree is an example of living thing. Elephant is also an example of living thing. A tree can grow. A tree need food and water. A tree can feel, and a tree can produce their own kind. An elephant is also a living thing and it can also do those things. The example of non-living things are a car and a brush. They do not need food or water to grow. They do not move on their own. They do not grow. They do not feel or they do not produce their own kind. All living things are natural. They cannot be made by humans. So this is an important point, that all the living things are natural and humans cannot make these living things. Among many non-living things, some are made by humans while some are natural. But non-living things can be made by humans or they can be natural. Non-living things human द्वारा बनाई हुई भी हो सकती हैं और natural भी हो सकती हैं, जो कुदरत से ही बनी हो. Non-living things which are made by humans are known as human-made things. So the things which are non-living and made by humans are known as human-made things. For example, cars, toys, roads and buildings. Cars are made by humans and they are non-living. Toys are made by humans and they are non-living. Roads are made by humans and are non-living. Buildings are made by humans and are non-living. Natural non-living things. The example of natural non-living things are sun. Sun is not human-made. Humans have never made sun. Clouds. Clouds are an example of natural non-living things because clouds are not made by humans. They are natural things. Human-made non-living things. Now the example of non-living things which are made by human. A bed. A bed is made by humans and it is a non-living thing. A phone is made by humans and it is a non-living thing. A car is made by humans and it is a non-living thing. Moving further, let's come to this checkpoint. Here it's a dog and its name is Hershey. Meet Hershey. Hershey is a fun-loving dog. And here is a toy. Meet Jacob, and Jacob is a toy dog. So we have a living dog and a toy dog. Identify the things that Hershey, the dog, can do while Jacob, the toy, cannot. One has been done for you. Hershey can run, Jacob cannot run. Okay, So do you know the differences between a dog and a toy dog? In the assignment number 1 we have sent you on 1st of April 2020, the checkpoint 1 is solved. The second point we must write here is Hershey can breathe, Jacob cannot breathe. As Hershey is a living thing and it can breathe, while Jacob is a non-living thing and it cannot breathe. The third point is Hershey can grow while Jacob cannot grow, because living things can grow while non-living things cannot grow. Third point is Hershey can feel, Jacob cannot feel. Hershey is a living dog and it can feel, while Jacob is a non-living dog and it cannot feel. Now come on the second page number. Differences between living and non-living things. All living things have some characteristics, which means qualities that make them different from non-living things. Let us learn about them. Living things need food and water. We have already studied that living things need food and water to grow. All living things need food to live. Food gives them energy to do various activities. It keeps them healthy and helps them grow. Green plants can make their own food using sunlight, water, and air. On the other hand, animals cannot make their own food. They eat plants or other animals. So, here we have a picture of a plant growing in the sunlight, and we have studied that plants can make their food using sunlight, water, and air. Here is a picture of an animal, jackal, eating the flesh of other animal. We have learned that animals cannot make their own food and they eat plants or other animals. Here is a picture of a girl eating food. Non-living things do not need food. So this is the difference between living and non-living things. Living things need food while non-living things do not need food. Second topic is about living things breathe. All living things need air to breathe. If there is no air, living things will die. Living things have special organs for breathing. Humans breathe through their nose. Air travels through their nose into the windpipe and then to the lungs. So, we have learned that living things cannot live without breathing. As we are also living things, humans are living things, so humans cannot live without breathing. Humans cannot live without air. Let us learn about some animals. Land animals like cats, dogs, horses, and zebras also have lungs for breathing. So, land animals also breathe through lungs, just like humans. We humans also breathe through lungs. Let us learn about some insects. Insects like grasshoppers breathe through the tiny pores known as spiracles present on their body. So, here you can see there is a picture of a grasshopper. Grasshoppers have tiny pores which are shown. On the next page, we have aquatic animals like fish have gills. These gills help them to take in oxygen dissolved in water. Aquatic animals breathe through gills. Plants breathe through tiny pores called stomata present on the underside of the leaves. Plants breathe through stomata. Non-living things do not breathe. You can see in the picture, the fish breathes through gills which are present on its skin. Plants breathe through stomata which is present on underside of leaves. While non-living things do not breathe at all. So this clears the another difference between living and non-living things. Now open the assignment number 1 sent to you on 1st of April 2020. The second question is, a dog uses its dash to sniff. What does a dog use to sniff? Dog uses its nose to sniff. Dog अपने नाक की हेल्प से सूंघता है. A cat cleans itself using its dash. The answer is tongue. A cat cleans itself using its tongue. Fill in the blanks. This is question number 3. You can find these questions in your books. This is the question we have solved, and this is question number 3. So, fill in the blanks. So, if bird is a living thing, then what is a rock? Rock is a non-living thing. So, you write here non-living. The answer is non-living. Second is dash nose grasshopper spiracles. It means if a grasshopper uses spiracles to breathe, then who uses a nose to breathe? Humans use nose to breathe. So write humans in the second fill up. Third is birds wings fish dash. This means if birds are using wings to fly or to move, then what does a fish use to move? Please correct this answer in your fair notebooks or in your books. Write fins and tail here. Fins and tail. Gills is not the answer. If birds are using wings to move, then fish are using fins and tail to move. Fourth is hen dash horse young ones. If horse gives birth to young ones, then whom do hen give birth to? Well, hen does not give birth to young ones, it lay eggs. So answer here. Now move on to question number 10. Which of the following is a natural thing? We have learnt about natural things in this chapter. So is a pen a natural thing? No, a pen is a human-made thing. Mobile phones are again a human-made thing. Brush is also a human-made thing. But moon is not made by human. So it is a natural thing. 11th question. Which animal moves with the help of its whole body? So we have options here. A deer. A deer does not move with the help of its whole body. It has legs. A monkey also uses its legs to move. A earthworm. A earthworm moves with the help of its whole body because it doesn't have legs. So the answer here is earthworms. Lion also have legs to move. 12th question. Which organ does a grasshopper breathe through? We have learnt about this, and I don't think we need to go through the options because we know the answer is spiracles. We have learnt that grasshoppers breathe through spiracles. 13th question. Which of the following does not give birth to young ones? We have learned that dog gives birth to young ones, monkeys give birth to young ones, cats also give birth to their young ones, but a hen lay eggs. They do not give birth to their young ones. Instead of this, they lay eggs. So the answer here is hen. Which of the following does not reproduce? A car, a bird, a tortoise, or a tiger? The answer is a car, because a car cannot give birth to another car. A bird can give birth to a bird, a tortoise can give birth, a tiger can give birth, but a car cannot. So answer is a car. 15th question is, match the following. A table. With the options given here, with which you will match it. Let's see. Table, a sense organ. Is a table a sense organ? No. Table. Does a table have a stomata to breathe? No. Plants have stomata to breathe. Lungs. A table has lungs? No. Lungs are for humans.